What's up everyone? I am Rory from RLLWoodworks. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to do a really quick video. This is a product review. This is a deformable lamp. It's a generic product from Amazon. It's like $22, really cheap. This screws into a standard socket and it's got three LED lamps here. And so it had pretty good reviews. I'm going to put it in and try it out and show you guys how it works. So let's go ahead and open this up. Looks like the packaging is really simple. Quick little instruction sheet. And here it is. It's got the three LED lamps on it, a cover over the socket for it to screw into a standard bulb. Looks like maybe these are a little bit loose, but probably easily tightened.
Here's a closer look at the box. They didn't check the boxes here down at the bottom, but this is the 60 watt. It's silver and it's the color temperature of 4500K, which is cool white. And this puts out about 4,000 lumens. Here's a close-up of the instruction sheet. You can see where it goes over all the different parameters of this product. And on the back here, it says it'll last about 50,000 hours, which is longer than a bulb and a fluorescent tube. So hopefully it has a long, nice lifespan for the whopping $25 I spent. So before we plug it in, I just want to give you all a quick look at the light in the shop. I've just got one incandescent light, one fluorescent light, and that's it. So it gets pretty dark in the corners, and really the only place that's well lit is underneath the fluorescent light by the miter saw. Here it is from the other side. Without the light, you can see it's pretty dark over there in that corner. And let's see what this thing looks like. All right, I'm just gonna unscrew the old bulb here. And we're gonna screw this in and hopefully not get too blinded. Wow, that is really bright. That makes a huge difference. So I don't know how well that's picking up on video, but that is a lot brighter. Okay, I turned this off so we can get a look at it without blinding ourselves. The one thing I would like to change is to make these panels articulate a little bit more. They don't come any further down than 180 degrees. I can't bring these down anymore. Once you get it down to, I guess it's 90 degrees to the socket, that's as far as it goes. It does go all the way up, so you can project light out that way. But for example, if I didn't want to light up this side of the garage, because it's where the cars are and the workshop's on this side, I'd like to be able to bend this one all the way down, but I can't do that. So it's just something we're gonna have to live with, but it is one thing I would like to change. Okay, so that's it. That was $20 well spent. I might get another one and put it over here on the other side of the garage door opener, or maybe move this existing light. But that's it. So hopefully if you're in the market for something like this, you can go to Amazon, pick this up for 20, 25 bucks, whatever it was, and it'll make a great update to the shop. That's it. We'll see you next time.